What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on 2010 Dodge Ram 2500 again. I just picked up a Flex undercover off of Facebook and no instructions, we're going to get it installed. We got the truck bed painted, the hitch pulled out a little bit straighter in the last video. We haven't done any body work to the cab yet. We will have to work on that later. But I got an awesome deal on the bed cover, so we're going to try to get that installed. No instructions. I haven't done any research on how to install this. I've had bed covers before. They should be super straightforward. It's in super great condition. I haven't really done a whole lot of looking at it. There's nothing wrong with it. did up close. There are 3 clamps on the passenger side and 2 clamps and this bar thing on the driver's side. There's a spot that says clamp. Where the clamps go, they just kind of go around and bolt to the truck bed, I guess. It's pretty cool. Has these arms things that come up and they hold the bed cover up. It has drainage tubes that go into the bed on both sides. I'm gonna try to get the cover on now. Supposed to fold it back up and then clamp it in place. I wonder if I could do it from underneath of the bed. Alright guys, I got it set into place and kind of pulled it where it looked like where it went. I crawled through the truck bed and there's a little plastic clamp on both sides that you fasten down. Let's see if I can get these any tighter. Okay, I think that's good. I need to go back and tighten my bolts down all the way. Let's see. Unlocked. Okay. Let's do this side. Okay. So that side didn't clip down in place. Wonder if I have it angled. Okay, that time both sides clipped. Look at that. There's a few spots from where it was folded up. They should lay down. Man, look at how flush that looks. Let's close this tailgate. Okay, so it did also come with a truck luggage box. I don't know if I would actually use that, but can try it out, see what we think. So this thing has some Velcro. See if I can do this with one hand. That was easy enough. Okay, it has a couple zippers on the side. I think this bottom pulls out too. There we go. Had all the good stuff. I don't know. I do have a bunch of ratchet straps, so that might fit pretty well in there, maybe. But there it is, guys. I mean, looks like it's gonna be a good bed cover. It's the best one I've ever had. I wonder if I could stand on this. Yes, dear.
What are you doing?
You're supposed to be able to stand on these. I'm standing on it. I'm kind of standing on the edge. All right, I'm standing on it. I'm standing in the middle of it. I mean, I'm really nervous. I don't want to break it. I mean, I'm in it. I'm on it. It's holding about 140 pounds. Okay. No, that's going to be great. We don't get a whole lot of snow here, but if we do, that's going to hold it up. I've had a lot of the soft top ones, and I was really concerned about them. But this looks like a good deal. Look at that. Go ahead and leave a comment down below about what I can do better. I am getting more used to holding the camera. Go ahead and subscribe. We got a bunch more videos coming,